Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6th, 2024, and we're diving into Qualcomm's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Qualcomm's impressive performance this fiscal year.
Qualcomm has just released its fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2024 results. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Absolutely. Qualcomm is a leader in wireless technology and semiconductor solutions, known for its Snapdragon platforms. This report highlights a strong fiscal year with GAAP revenues of $39 billion and a GAAP EPS of $8.97, marking over 20% growth in EPS. Notably, they achieved record operating cash flow, and their QCT automotive segment reported its fifth consecutive record quarterly revenue.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Qualcomm reported a net revenue of $39 billion for fiscal year 2024. How does this compare to last year, and what does it mean for the company?
Qualcomm's revenue increased by 9% compared to fiscal 2023, which is a solid growth trajectory. This growth is driven by strong performance across its segments, particularly in QCT, automotive, and IoT. The company also reported a GAAP EPS of $8.97 and a non-GAAP EPS of $10.22, reflecting a significant improvement in profitability.
And what about their cash flow?
They achieved a record high in operating cash flow, which underscores their efficient cash management and operational strength. This positions Qualcomm well for future investments and shareholder returns.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you break down the performance of Qualcomm's key segments?
Sure. The QCT segment, which includes their semiconductor business, reported revenues of $33.2 billion, up 9% from last year. The QTL segment, which handles technology licensing, also saw a 5% increase to $5.6 billion. Notably, the automotive segment within QCT grew by 68%, reflecting Qualcomm's strong foothold in the automotive industry.
What about the IoT segment?
Interestingly, IoT revenues declined by 9%, which could be attributed to market saturation and competitive pressures. However, Qualcomm's strategic initiatives in automotive and industrial IoT are expected to offset this decline in the future.
Shareholder returns and financial health. Qualcomm has been active in returning capital to shareholders. Can you elaborate on their recent actions?
Absolutely. Qualcomm repurchased $4.1 billion worth of shares and paid $3.7 billion in dividends during fiscal 2024. They've also announced a new $15 billion stock repurchase authorization, which is a strong signal of confidence in their future performance.
How does their debt situation look?
Qualcomm's long-term debt stands at $13.3 billion, which is manageable given their strong cash flow and profitability. This financial health allows them to continue investing in growth areas while rewarding shareholders.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what guidance has Qualcomm provided for the next quarter?
For Q1 FY25, Qualcomm expects revenues between $10.5 billion and $11.3 billion, with a non-GAAP EPS ranging from $2.85 to $3.05. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth and diversification across their business segments.
What did CEO Cristiano Amon have to say about these results?
CEO Cristiano Amon expressed excitement about their recent product announcements and emphasized Qualcomm's technology leadership. He highlighted their growth and diversification initiatives, which will be further detailed at their Investor Day on November 19th.
Key takeaways. In summary, Qualcomm has delivered a strong fiscal year with impressive growth in both revenue and profitability. Their strategic focus on automotive and IoT, along with robust shareholder returns, positions them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Qualcomm's performance this year has been remarkable, especially in the automotive sector. Their commitment to innovation and shareholder value makes them a compelling investment prospect. Investors should keep an eye on their upcoming Investor Day for more insights.
Thank you, John, for your analysis, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Qualcomm's performance in the comments below.